I'm going to show you how to change the status of these dots that are here for the ADA map. So if you look at the legend here, the ones that have been repaired, the ADA requirements that have been repaired are with status of close, and anything that's open, it's in blue. So let's say that we want to change one of the statuses of these dots, or you can change a whole bunch. You can basically zoom into the area that you want, and then we're going to pick one of those dots. Now, it's not allowing me, so what you need to do is you need to go to, I believe it's View, and where it says Reset Panes, you want to be in Editing, Reset Panes for Editing. Okay, so now that you are in Editing, we're going to select the dot that you want, but for that, you need to go to the Edit menu, and you can say Select. Okay, and this will allow you to pick the point that you want. But actually hit select and then click on the rectangle because you want to pick that dot. Okay, now you can select the dot, see how it turns into a different color blue. You can hit attributes, and this menu pops up on the side over here. And this is all the attributes for that particular dot. You can come down here to where it says the status, and you can change it to close, for example. Let's say that you fix that, you hit apply, and now you have this save button up here in the menu. Make sure you click save. It says you want to save all the edits? Yes. Now the neat thing about it is that now you can hit clear, and you can see that the dot is red because now you changed the attribute. The neat thing about it is that this will also update the map, the map that's online at the same time. They're interlinked together. So whatever changes you make here, they will be reflected on on the map online. Let's change it back to close. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it, go to the attribute. I want to change it back to open, apply, and I'm going to hit the save button now that it's appearing over here. And yes, I want to save it. Then I'm going to clear it, and now it's back to blue. All right, so let's say that you're interested in fixing a very specific area here. Let's say that you want to select these dots over here. Okay, so you zoom into where you want to go to, and we're going to say select, and I like to use polygon because it allows me to select a very specific shape of dots that I want. So let's say that I want that. Click on it and then double click it to finish the selection. So it selected all those dots. You can see that you have 16 attributes related to those dots over here. Now you can go back here and change the status of each one if you want to. But what we want to do is we want to export all the data related to those dots. So you click on the ADA map 16 over here so you can select all at once, right? And then what we want to do is we want to right click on top of it and we want to say attribute table showing selection. Okay, so it selected those 16 values that we want. All right. And now what we want to do is we want to be able to export this, or actually we're going to copy these records and we're going to paste them into Excel. So over here, there's this copy selection icon. Okay, so we're going to say copy selection, selected rows to clipboard. Click on that and it's going to copy them. Then you open Excel. You open a brand new empty Excel and you click on this corner over here and then you right click and you say paste. And it says data is in the same size, just click OK. It puts in those 16 records that we had. You can also click on here in the corner and double click one of the middle line dividers. Double click it and automatically adjust the width. And now you have that data that's related to those 16 attribute points for what we selected earlier on over here. And that's about it. This is how you can do that export of that data. All right. And by the way, you can also close this, right? And you can, for example, zoom into that area. You can actually export a printout of this map over here. Right? We're just gonna go to share and you say export map, or you can print it. It's up to you. But you can say export map as a PDF. You can select whatever the resolution that you want to have, and then just say export. And this will select a pretty high resolution image, a PDF image. You can view it, okay, and there it is. Now you can attach this PDF to somebody that you want. Pretty nice resolution. And that's about it.